Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. I'm Lings, and today I went to 3 places to basically run errands and pick up some of the goodies that I pre-ordered and finally arrived at the shop. So first I'll start with Coach, and I have a bit of a story time for these purchases as well. So I'll start off with Coach. And then with LV Murakami, I got another piece. And also, I had to visit Nespresso to buy my coffee capsules since I was completely out and only had one left. And there was a little bit of story time that happened there as well. So I thought I'd throw that into this video. So let's start off with Coach. I went to the shop last week. I believe it was last Tuesday. Today's Monday, so it's almost been a week. And currently have the Cherries collection, which is typical of Coach, but because the Murakami Cherries is likely to come middle of this year, May, June area, I did take a look at some of the products and decided on this one. So let's go with the unboxing, and then I'll show you guys some of the red packet stuff that came with my purchase. I love this red bag, especially for the Chinese New Year that's coming. So this is what I got. It's a pair of shoes, as you can tell. And it just so happens that this morning I saw Jessie Styles. I'll link her video below, but she also went shopping at Coach, and she made a video this morning. And I was like, oh. And then she also got the same pair as I did, and I was so happy to hear that she was like so happy with it. And then when I tried these on, I just want to say that they were so comfortable. When I ordered them last week at the shop, there were only, I think, 2 pairs left that were my size. And this is basically the Cherries collection sneakers. I love the fact that it is basically majority of it is white with just a pop of red, like right here, the cherries. And this time they made it like a little bit sparkly on each cherry, but it's minimal, right? Like it's not cherries all over the white shoe. So my favorite type of like sneakers is white, and the back is also completely white. It's not white, it's more like off-white, but I thought these were so comfortable. And I did do a bit of a vlog in the shop, so I'll probably insert it into this unboxing just to show you guys. But when I was trying them on in the store today, they felt super comfortable. Like, actually, to be honest, these are probably one of, like, when I tried them on, they're probably one of the most comfortable sneakers I've ever been in. And it says a lot because I have like a few Tigers and Nikes at home, and yeah, just, you know, other brands. And this one, when I've like, basically the cushion is so soft. Oh, I should really show you guys the middle, I mean, sorry, the inside of the sneakers. I thought they were so pretty. Yeah, I just like the fact that it's very minimalistic on the outside, and then inside it's very nice. So yeah, I'll insert the short vlog of me trying these out at the shop. So from the Coach collection, I just only got the sneakers because I did think about whether I wanted to buy the smaller cosmetic pouch. But I decided not, because I knew that I probably wouldn't use it given I have so many SLGs from like LV and stuff. I know that like it's just gonna be FOMO. So these pair of shoes I'm very happy with, because I know that I'm not likely gonna be buying the LV Murakami Cherry collection sneakers. I might buy a bag from LV, but I thought these were really good deal. So these costed $1,200 Hong Kong dollars. So let's see the receipt, just double check. Make sure I cover that. Okay. So these are the High Line Cherry sneakers. see the code. And yeah, they cost $1,200. And with this purchase, the CA was very kind, and she gave me extra shopping bag, like a smaller one, because I actually like keep a lot of my special packaging. And this is the Lunar New Year, or you could say Chinese New Year shopping bag. I don't know if they're using the same color in like other countries, or whether this is just for Asia for Chinese New Year, but I thought the red is very nice, and may also, you know, stand for the cherries as well. And I also got 2 packets, I think 10 each, for Chinese New Year. People put money in here and give it to friends and family, the children. So this is the first thing that I got from Coach. And then let's go with LV Murakami. Before I open that, my CA left the red packet for me this year. So it looks like this. You can see. I think the design is supposed to be like snakes, because coming year is the year of the snake. And then it flips open like this. And inside is so pretty, right? So I also have a short vlog that I filmed in the LV shop as well. But I'll show it to you guys here. It's a little bit more clear with the lighting. The red and the green, like it's kind of like a green tea or pistachio green, is so pretty. Okay. So that's that. So I'm assuming you get 10 each from each side. This side is the same. So this one's from LV. And then these are from Nespresso. I have a small, short story time with Nespresso, so I'll just keep these here. And then I also got some Labubu red packets. I thought these were so cute, so I just add them into this video. But yeah, I will be using these ones to give out to some of my like friends, kids and children, and downstairs the people that help me out, not for services. Okay, so these are the Nespresso capsules. Okay, let's go jump into what I got. So this product, I actually already have one. If you guys know or been like following on my IG stories, I've actually ordered this a long time ago. This was on day 1 of launch, so January 3rd. My CA, like I told my CA, this is something that I really wanted, and she put in the system. But ever since January 3rd, which is the launch date, it's always been in pending validation online. So I also got the panda gift tag and more of the ribbon. They already know not to box it for me, but this is actually a second one, because after ordering it, there was one in the store, which my CA said there's only one and only one left, and other CAs would want it if I didn't want to take it, because she couldn't guarantee whether this pending validation would ever come in. It did come in, but like almost a month later. Anyway, it's basically just the kawaii pink Romy card holder, the multicolor in kawaii pink. So I've shown this in my first unboxing of my video. So I have a few unboxing videos of the Murakami collection. This is my second one, because I wanted to kind of confirm that I got one for my original purchase, and this was in pending validation forever. And so I put like a deposit in, which is 100%. In LV terms, it's pre-orders are really, you're buying the thing and then hoping that it will come through. And now I have a double. So this is new, and my friend is also waiting for this. If she doesn't get hers, then I will send this to her and like sell it to her basically, so we can ensure that we get ours. This one is mine. So just to show you, I've been using mine heavily. I love it a lot. Oh, and you can tell, see, that it's actually different. This one. This is the one I'm using. It's more purple. So the cutting of the multicolor is different. Okay, that's interesting. And then like this. Since I'm here, so I'll just be packing this back into the box and wait for my friend to see if she is finally managed to get hers. If it cancels her order, then I will give her this. Put this back in. Yeah, I wanted to finally unpeel this because I've already taken the front off the shiny panda from the gold hardware, and I've been meaning to this as well. Yay, look, it's so shiny now. Okay, this is a really good card holder. I really like it a lot. So if anyone was in the process or thinking if they wanted this or not, now I know it's a bit too late, so I apologize for that. I know like there's no stock, but I know from some countries in the US from time to time, it does go from notify me back into add to my cart. So it seems like in different countries, especially in the States and in Europe, they are restocking. Asia, from what I heard, is completely done and over. Today when I went to the LV shop, which I will insert my vlog here, there was nothing Murakami on any of the shelves. Like all displays were gone except for the perfumes. So the Imagination and a Trap Rev, those were still on display, but they too were all sold out and you couldn't order in the shops anymore. So they essentially wiped out the entire Murakami drop one. You don't see any of it in the stores, at least in Hong Kong, in the flagship store that I did in Landmark. Okay, and then finally, I wanted to just quickly mention what happened at Nespresso. So this morning, I realized I only had like one coffee capsule left from Nespresso, and I need to drink my coffee every morning. And so I also have like some other coffees that I could do as backup, but I wanted to make it ensure that I have supply during CNY. So I basically made an order online for Nespresso, but since I went to central location to pick up my LV product and my Coach product, I went into the Nespresso shop, and then they were saying that they were doing some sort of like a mall, like IFC, like special. Like if you order from the shop itself, like order coffee from the shop, then you could play their lucky draw. So I was like, okay, that's good, because I would like to do a lucky draw just before Chinese New Year to test my luck, because I felt like I've been pretty lucky lately. And so they said that they would help cancel my order online, and then I just needed to buy 500 Hong Kong dollars worth of coffee capsules or sleeves. So essentially that's about like 9 or 10 capsules depending on, like sleeves, depending on what flavors you got. So I got like I think 9 or 10 sleeves at the end. My favorite ones are from their, I forgot what it's called, but it's basically their aromatic line. Like I drink black coffee. I don't really add milk to any of it, so I like to drink black coffee, and these are my favorite ones that I go to. So the caramello, so caramel flavor, the vanilla flavor, and the hazelnut are my usual go-tos. And then I've been drinking a lot of the almond croissant as well. I think from last winter. They're still selling some of these, so I got like 3 of these sleeves. Anyway, so I made purchases up to 500, and then I was able to do the lucky draw. I'll insert it here, but I mean, spoiler alert, I did win something, and it was like you had to choose one of these red packets from the wall, and then when I chose like I think the 3rd row, 3rd number or something, I think they were kind of helping me. They're like, are you sure you want to do that? Anyway, so I ended up, it says congratulations, you've won a meal at the hotel Rosewood for like I think it was like $1,000, and then the back it's like a blessing saying for Chinese New Year. So that's Chinese. So I got this, and then they issued me with, this is a really popular hotel in Hong Kong, like a 5-star hotel on the Kowloon side called Rosewood. And essentially I won a gift certificate to dine at the Rosewood of $1,000. And yeah, so yay, I won something again just before CNY, and I thought that was really nice. It says, when I went to Hong Kong, I knew at once I wanted to write a story set there. Paul Theroux. So that's pretty good. So I bought $500 worth of coffee and won $1,000 at the Rosewood Hotel gift certificate. And they also gave me extra red packets as well. I didn't actually open these. Let's take a quick look at how these look. Okay. So this looks like an 8, which represents like money, fortune, just wealth in the Chinese language. The number 8. That's what it represents. It's also my favorite number. So 88 is a good sign. Okay, so I think for here, I'm going to close this unboxing video off and then insert my vlog today. I actually have one more outstanding video I've already made. It's with regards to the unboxing of my cosmetic pouch GM size and converting that into a bag, as you can kind of see on top. I haven't had time to edit that video and upload because they're both I speak in them, so it takes a bit of time to edit, and I haven't done that. I think that this one's gonna probably go out first. I'm gonna try to get this video out first today and then have that one out tomorrow before CNY. So yes, thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video and you haven't subscribed or liked or shared this video already, please do so. It would really help the algorithm, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.